How to fix Windows Update error code 0x800705b4. If you are facing this error, this is how you fix it. The very first thing you're going to have to do is go to your desktop, right-click on it, go to New, and then create a text document. Now, what you're going to do is simply go ahead and copy this script from description. So what I'm going to do is select Control-Alt, Control-C, and I'm going to go ahead and open this new text document. And then what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and paste it here. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here. Now, once you have done that, you could just close it out, and then you can name this document. Now just open it again. What you're going to do is click on File, and then click on Save As, and select a destination. I'm going to select my desktop. Now what you're going to do is rename this with a .bat extension. And under the Save As type, you're going to select all files and then click on Save. Once you have done that, your new bat file will be saved right here. So just right click on it, go to Run as Administrator, click on Yes, and it will open up command prompt. Now just press any key to continue. Now you can continue with this operation, Y or N. Just enter that, and then you should be good to go. So from here, what you can do is just press any key to continue, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. And after doing this, your issue should be solved. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.